Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On my channel, we are going to create a new series for Python development. We will start from very basic topics of Python and then we will cover each and every topic and each and every aspect of the Python development. So without any further ado, let's get started with the simplest hello world program in Python. The Hello World program is the simplest program in any programming language. When you have to be familiar with any programming language, you just print the Hello World and you get familiar with the syntax of that particular programming language. So the Python is a very powerful and useful programming language. It is one of the high level programming language. And if I talk about the Python versions, we have two major versions of Python. They are Python 2 and Python 3. And there is a little bit difference between the syntax of Python 2 and Python 3. For example, in Python 2, whenever we have to use the print function in order to print anything, we do not use parentheses with the print function. But in Python 3, we use the parentheses with the print function. So this is one of the difference between the Python 2 and Python 3 syntax. So now let's see that how we can create the Hello World program in Python. So in order to print anything in Python, we have to use the print function. Print and hello world is a string, so we have to write the hello world in the double quotation. So I have entered the double quotation here, and inside these double quotations now we have to write here hello world. So this is the simplest program in Python. So I am using the Spider 3 editor for this program. So in order to run this program, you have to click here on this particular button and you can see that it has printed hello world on the Python console. So in the next video we will see that what is the print function and how we can use the print function for multiple purposes. So I hope you got my point that how you can print the hello world in Python, and that's it for this video. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Distributed Computing for more useful videos like this, and remember to click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of the latest videos as well. Thank you.